Getting the sign in to iCloud to backup history, tap here for instructions error on WhatsApp on your iPhone. This can happen due to iCloud settings or account issues. Well, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the sign in to iCloud error on WhatsApp step by step. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Solution 1. Sign out and sign back to iCloud. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password. You'll have the option to keep a copy of your iCloud data on your device. Select the appropriate checkboxes and then tap Sign Out to confirm. Once signed out, tap Sign In to your iPhone and then enter your Apple ID and password again. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app, then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go and check whether your iCloud backup working or not in your WhatsApp. If not, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you can't find the WhatsApp app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background app refresh. Again, tap on Background app refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 5. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.